Hey, this is Dr. Caldwell, the Brain Doctor in beautiful Telluride, Colorado. It's been really windy, the snow's been amazing. But I'm going to talk today about altitude headaches because everybody we were with this trip got altitude headaches. Anytime you get over 8,500 feet above sea level, then you can get these headaches, and they're generally sort of a pressure-like pain we think caused by a relative hypoxia or lack of oxygen. So what do I like to do? I used to be a climber, and I used to like to take Diamox or Lasix 2 or 3 days before I go. I think it's a good idea. If you suffer with them, get Diamox or acetazolamide, 250 milligrams 3 times a day, just a couple of days before you go, and then maybe the first day. Drink plenty of fluids. The first day, this trip, I didn't carry my water bottle, and I got a headache and got exhausted. Really get hydrated before you go. Carry a water bottle, even better, a bottle of yellow Gatorade, and drink the whole thing before lunch the first day. If you can, ski 2 days and then take the third day off and then ski more, it'll be great. So what do you take for it? Aspirin works the best, Tylenol the second best, Advil the third best. I've heard some people say take 2 or 3 Advil 3 times a day before you go. Some people take prednisone, like prednisone 2 or 3 days before you go with the Diamox. So if you really suffer with it, try one of these cocktails and make sure you hydrate that first day. That is so critical. So like my channel, subscribe. More later.